The pickup truck market has seen drastic changes, with electric and hybrid variants competing against their gasoline-powered siblings. Ram is one of the top manufacturers that comes to mind when thinking of trucks formed around reliability, performance and towing capabilities. In 2025, Ram put its first hybrid trucks up for grabs, and it lives up to the hype. Ram has already entered the electric world through the 2024 Ram 1500 REV. Although it shows great potential, there's another electric variant that might outshine this model. The 2025 Ramcharger is an entirely different take on how electric trucks are typically engineered. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 10 things to know about the 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger. Now, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome auto guides, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when we publish a new video. So now, let's cut to the chase. And at 10, the ultimate truck for tailgating. Ram's mission has always been build to serve, and the new Ramcharger carries on that legacy, even expanding on the capabilities of the previous non-hybrid Rams. The great side of owning a hybrid or electric vehicle is the ability to use that power for other needs. A 4.8 kilowatt battery in the trunk bed and a 7.2 kilowatt power panel provide power for everyday use. The truck can send power to a home during a storm, light up a campsite, or keep your tools running at a job site. While the Ramcharger has received a fancy makeover, it still has not lost its practicality around utility usage. At 9, Ram has offered one-pedal driving on this truck. Ram has started offering one-pedal driving on its upcoming PHEV and EV trucks, whatever that may be. Although this feature sounds scary, don't worry, you won't lose your brake pedal. Phew! There are several advantages to using the one-pedal method while driving. One of the biggest reasons is to extend the vehicle's electric range. You would have to use this system consistently in order to see the saved MPGe, since it's typically a couple of miles saved. Minor benefits include less wear on the brakes, which extends the brake life. While trucks are typically used to transport cargo for long distances, they will also provide an environmental advantage. Less brake dust entering the air provides another eco-friendly aspect when looking at the Ramcharger. The one-pedal system might not be for everyone, but it does come with some benefits to improve the 1500. Next up at 8, no dearth of safety features. Ram has over 100 safety and security features on the Ramcharger. While most hybrids and electric vehicles have impressive safety technologies, this hybrid variant continues this trend. Ram has several autonomous drive assist systems, or ADAS, on the Ramcharger. The Highway Assist feature offers a hands-off driving experience at all speeds. It is a Level 2 driver support system, which means the driver must stay engaged when operating this system. This works with other systems, such as adaptive cruise control, where lasers, radars and cameras help keep the vehicles at a safe distance and speed. The Ram 1500s aren't fully self-driven, but there are plenty of modern safety provisions to keep the driver safe. At 7, a wide array of innovative technologies. Modern technology, as shown in the Ramcharger 1500, provides all the bells and whistles a truck needs without the confusion of some modern systems. This is done by simply incorporating customer feedback and perfecting favoured functions. This innovative approach to tech is observed not only in the cabin and entertainment features, but the entire vehicle, from the powertrain to the suspension to the interior comforts and exterior convenience. The Ramcharger raises the bar for what standard technology should be in a truck. The Uconnect 5 is the hub for several systems used on the infotainment screen. Some of these features include connectivity, entertainment, and security. This system benefits the hybrid truck by displaying information over the range and on-the-go charging. Ram has been hesitant to let the media explore the interior and all of its features, but there will likely be some pleasant surprises upon its full release. Up next at 6, the Tungsten trim brings the most luxurious interior in a Ram 1500. The 2025 Ram 1500's interiors will bring upscale commodities that could possibly make competitors worry. This includes both standard and optional flair, upholstery options, color options, and of course, advanced tech upgrades. The Ramcharger also includes the new trim, Tungsten, that comes packed with high-end features. Ram has been pretty secret about what's inside the upcoming hybrid truck, but they pledge that it exceeds prior generations. On paper, the new Tungsten trim brings never-before-seen features to a Ram 1500. These features include premium leather seating, natural wood and carbon fibre accents. While many automotive manufacturers have been doing this for the last decade, Ram understands that these trucks are used day in and day out. Although it might not be the next benchmark for the Ram 1500s, it is certainly headed in the right direction on how trucks should look on the inside. At 5, the exterior design is in line with other Ram trucks. Hybrid vehicles have a distinct image when it comes to the exterior. Ram has kept the rugged look that is typically associated with its previous trucks. With the amount of power and driving potential this truck has, it was a no-brainer for Ram to keep it looking aggressive. The Ramcharger will retain the dominant stance displayed by Ram pickups, which includes a tall nose, sculpted sides and a wide, powerfully accented hood. The Ramcharger isn't going to catfish you when it resembles a rigid body with a weak undercarriage. Similar to its sibling, the Ram 1500 REV utilizes the same foundation as the Ramcharger. Both are equipped with the STLA frame, a robust body-on-frame platform made from high-strength steel, which maintains the 1500's strong chassis. The advanced materials that are used create a lightweight but stiff body. This design is ideal for this 1500 because the frame is wider in the middle to incorporate the battery pack between the frame rails to optimize space and provide safety without sacrificing capability and strength. Next up, at 4, the Ramcharger out-tows the ICE and EV Ram 1500s. The Ramcharger outshines the current Ram 1500 lineup by almost doubling its towing capacity. It's unusual for performance-driven pickup trucks to handle heavy loads easily, but Ram has found a solution to their hybrid pickup. Recently, Ram has had a consistent trend towards figuring out specific issues and finding a solution through implementing several systems. The increase of 325 pounds of payload capacity in the new hybrid truck allows owners the ability to carry cargo without losing performance or handling. It also puts the Ramcharger in best-in-class territory in terms of payload cap, Stellantis says. The motor, being a backup system to keep the battery charged, allows for easy long trips. Models such as the Ford F-150 Lightning and Rivian R1T show significant decreases in range and efficiency when towing heavy loads. Ram found a solution and brought faith back in battery-powered trucks and their towing capabilities. Built on the new STLA body-on-frame architecture, which was designed specifically for full-size EVs, the Ramcharger tops both the Silverado EV and F-150 Lightning in terms of payload, towing and range. At 3, impressive suspension setup in place. Ram has designed a suspension to bring a customizable ride height depending on the situation. Whether you're cruising on the highway or going off-road, the Ramcharger has you covered. This, combined with the impressive performance and towing, allows for nearly unlimited applications, from hobby to hard work. When you factor in the 5 dynamic driving modes, which are Auto, Sport, Tow, Sport and Off-Road, the Ramcharger quickly increases its stock among a wider audience, most notably those who experience rough road conditions. Ram is among the many that incorporate software to provide optimal handling and a smoother ride. The 2025 Ramcharger has a multi-link independent rear suspension with standard air springs at all 4 corners. The springs bring adjustable ride height, whether you need the truck raised when off-roading or lowered when driving at higher speeds. Since the gasoline motor has no power on the wheels, Ram has incorporated an electronic rear locking differential. This is an excellent feature for gaining traction in rough terrain and evenly distributing power to the wheels. At 2, an overall driving range of nearly 700 miles. The range is no issue for the Ramcharger due to the piggyback system to keep the battery constantly charged. Since distance and recharging were common outliers for electric vehicle engineering, it shows today that car manufacturers have figured out how to get around this issue. The Ramcharger will feature special driving modes to maximize every aspect of the unique pickup, from its road performance to its towing and, yes, even its eco-affinity. The Ramcharger features a 130 kilowatt generator which sends 250 kilowatt to the front and 238 kilowatt to the rear electric drive modules, or EDMs. You're not here for Engineering 101, so to put it simply, the system maximizes efficiency by disconnecting the truck's front electric motor to allow the front wheels to spin freely. This feature enables the truck to operate in rear-wheel drive mode, optimizing its fuel economy and range. There isn't just one reason why the Ramcharger has eliminated range anxiety, but several systems in which Ram has developed to keep the Ramcharger efficient. This all comes with the title of World's First Series Hybrid Pickup Truck, simply highlighting the upcoming Ramcharger's innovative remedies to the hybrid pickup's shortcomings, which include the range to capability issue found in even the most efficient hybrid pickups today. And finally, at number 1, the Ramcharger features a unique powertrain. The 2025 Ramcharger 1500 has a unique powertrain compared to other hybrids. The main difference is that the Ramcharger's gasoline engine acts as a power source that charges the onboard generator for the battery. The gas engine essentially never powers the wheels directly, though its efforts don't go unnoticed. With a 0 to 60 mph time of 4.4 seconds, the Ramcharger is close behind the 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX in terms of get up and go, though surprisingly that's one of its less impressive stats. The Ramcharger is classified as a hybrid but acts like an EV with a backup plan. The Pentastar 3.6-litre engine generates mechanical power, which is then converted to electric power. You might be wondering, don't most hybrids have a system such as this? But the unique feature is that the V6 engine doesn't provide any power to the wheels. Instead, its sole purpose is to spin the 130 kilowatt generator. When the 70.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack starts to deplete and can't recharge, the gasoline engine intervenes, extending the range. This system allows the Ramcharger to maintain 663 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque while being efficient. The two powertrains are a well-anticipated duo that raises the standard of the Ram 1500s. And there you have the 10 things to know about the 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger. Did you like what you saw? Let us know in the comments down below. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic auto guides. So see you next time.